Welcome to the UModeler X beta test, everyone. Here is a friendly guide to walk you through the necessary steps to get started with UModeler X. Download the UModeler Hub package file and Zepeto Studio Unity project file version 3.2.7 from the UModeler homepage. Extract the Zepeto Studio Unity project file and use it to create a project with Unity version 2020.39. Install the UModeler Hub package file in the created project. If the Hub window is not visible, click on the UModeler icon at the top of the scene view to launch the Hub. Enter your email address provided on the promotion page and create an account. Go through the email verification process and then enter your password to log in. Download the latest version of UModeler X and start creating items. Finally, consider joining the Discord community server. Engage with UModeler X developers and Zepeto creators for a more enjoyable and collaborative creative experience.